Welcome back to Motorize. We are now getting our first glimpse of the all-new flagship electric SUV by Hyundai, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9. Larger, more aggressive and loaded with future tech, this three-row EV will compete with luxury electric SUVs in Tesla, Mercedes and BMW. It has everything you need to know, including its powertrain and design, pricing and release date. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. The Ioniq is built upon the Hyundai eGMP, which is an electric car platform. It is rumored to have dual motor all-wheel drive with up to 380 to 400 horsepower, providing it with good acceleration as a family-size SUV. With Hyundai 800-volt charging system, the Ioniq 9 can charge in less than 25 minutes using a fast charger, depending on the trim and battery pack. It has a range of approximately 300 to 340 miles per charge. New technology such as vehicle-to-load V2L, which will enable you to plug appliances or even your house into the car, is also expected to be launched by Hyundai. The outside look of the Ioniq 9 is based on the futuristic look of Ioniq 5 and 7. In a bigger, more dominating style. In the front you will see the parametric pixel LED signature headlights, an aggressive closed grille and clean and smooth aerodynamic lines. The SUV has a boxy but smooth profile on the side, with flush door handles and huge 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels. On the back side, the LED light bar extends all the way across to create the high-tech and high-quality feel. The Ioniq 9 is a space, technology and comfort interior. We will design this SUV in a three-row configuration so that it can easily accommodate 6 or 7 people. Cabin is made using sustainable green materials, panoramic digital dashboard that combines a 15-inch infotainment display with a 12-inch driver display and enhanced voice and gesture recognition. Greater trims will comprise recliner seats in the lounge, a panoramic glass roof, personalized ambient light, and an advanced Bose or Bang & Olufsen sound system. And as usual, Hyundai has its Smart Sense safety system, which includes such autonomous driving capabilities as highway driving pilot, adaptive cruise control, lane change assist, and automatic parking. As for price, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9 is expected to start around $55,000, with higher trims crossing the $70,000. Hyundai is planning to officially unveil the SUV in late 2025, with deliveries expected in mid-2026 across major markets including the US, Europe and Asia. That is then the next Hyundai Ioniq 9, a daring all-electric SUV of the future. With the bold design, the most advanced technology and the practicality of a family. Will the Ioniq 9 be more of a real Tesla Model X competitor, or will it be a niche in the luxury EV market? Please tell us in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe to Motorize and give the bell a ring so you can be sure not to miss our latest car review and EV news. Thanks, bye, and I will see you next time in the video.